Right, here's a little video from a few weeks ago of the step that I carried out in the pissing rain. So yeah, this is an old school step, broke out. It's kind of like a half moon shape, but yeah, broke that out. Absolute nightmare. It was solid as a rock, but broke that out. Then installed all the edging, so set my corners in first, all level, well, slight run away from the house, setting the edging, and then set all the edging blocks in, left those to go off overnight, and then just infilled the following day. All of the blocks were laid on a sand cement bed of 5:1 ratio mix with sharp sand and cement. Pretty straightforward. We'll kiln dry sand this in when the weather dries up. But yeah, here's a little video. Like, comment, subscribe. Try to get to above 1,000 subs. So please share the video, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments.